what it really takes to build a factory that thinks. Everyone's talking about the thinking factory. Fewer people are being honest about what it actually takes to get there. In this session, Alex, CEO of Ali, separates what's real from what's vendor hype and lays out the path that's actually working on the factory floor today. Fiction. You need to unify your entire data infrastructure before AI can deliver value. Fact. The plant's seeing results started with a single line and a single business problem. The right approach doesn't start with a platform. It starts with a question your team already has. Is this quality issue a process drift or a recipe deviation? Why does this line stop every Tuesday morning? Alex walks through how to scope that first deployment and what the data layer actually needs to support an AI agent on a production line. Every attendee walks away with the production data readiness scorecard, a self-assessment that benchmarks where your plant stands today and maps the fastest path to your first AI-ready line. This session is built for plant managers, operations directors, and manufacturing IT leaders responsible for making the data work. No pitch, no theory, just a real path from one line, one problem to a factory that thinks. Seats are limited. Register now.